Alright, so this is I think a 2004 Acura MDX. It's kind of a quick tip here. It's not going to be a long video at all. What happened was the brake lights are staying on all the time, and he thought it was the brake switch, and he tried to change it, and they're still on all the time. And I noticed when I got under here, the hole, if you don't know, on these Hondas and Acuras, there's a little grommet that goes in the hole. This that actually stops this, pushes it in, so you let go of the brake pedal, it shuts off the brake lights, and then when you hit the brake, this releases and the brake lights come on. Well, if Honda has a little hole on the backside there, and if that little grommet comes apart, then this will just go through the hole that's the grommet goes into, and the brake lights will stay on all the time. So this is the kit here. It's Dorman 74015, fits Honda, pedal bushing and pedal stop assortment. There's two in there. I already took one out, the one I'm probably going to use. And I'll show you where it goes. I'm going to go in here, and hopefully you can see. Great. Now you can't see it all. This is where the brake switch goes, this hole right here, and right behind there, if you pull the brake down, you can see this hole here. That's where that bushing goes. Just push it in there, and then you can put your brake switch in, and it'll start working again. Of course, you could have a bad brake switch, but this is pretty common on these Hondas. I've seen it before. So when if you do have your brake lights staying on, check your switch. Pull it. These just go in and then turn. So just unhook it, turn it out, pull it out, plug it back in, and when this is depressed like that, the light should be off, and then if you let it go, the light should be on. If they're staying on all the time, even if you press this in, then you probably have a bad switch. If they're going off when you press this in, then look and see if your bushing's gone. That's probably what it is your bushing's gone, and you need to get a new one. So again, that's just the Dorman 74015 pedal stop and pedal bushing assortment. And they just snap right in. So don't always assume it's the brake switch. It could be this little all it could be is this bushing. For some reason, I don't know why they just didn't make it solid across there, Honda, and then not have the bushing. And then, you know, when the pedal comes up, it just sits there. But it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together and get this thing out of here. But just wanted to show you, in case you didn't know, this is like usually in the help section. I got this at O'Reilly's, but AutoZone, it's usually in the help section. So anyway, have a good day, and as always, God bless.